Dari kayo mga yan.
So, Chuhumi SM City del Bastagan. Ating yung event is Chef Vince keng Velvet Ganache. Grabe, may late ko 25 minutes. Aside from late ko talagang migising, grabe naman yung traffic.
Di ko alam.
Sorry po.
Sige.
Magsasa.
Hello.
30 minutes.
Sabi mo, kakaratang naman.
Okay. Uyta. So, abi ako lang ng vloggers, ampong vlogger, social media influencers kay ni Pampanga. Nakabalo nung nanuing program. Pero, just go with the flow, di ba? So, tara, naman tayo.
The Velvet Ganache came from the word VG, which is Vince Garcia. So I just created a very French in the term for VG, which is Velvet Ganache. How do I pronounce it? Velvet Ganache. The plate is very nice, not too dark. There's no more bricks, but the concept is parang sa French logo. It was designed by Kat De Leon. Then inspirations namin is parang light lang. The space is big pero wala masyadong mga heavy component. So very important stuff. For us to provide quality item, we need a quality equipment. How do we do everything? So, ang sarap magluto, eco-friendly and sa proper kalago.
Ay, ano ko? Hi, hello! Hi, lagi nasa phone. Wall hugger.
Sa?
Hello.
Si Pao.
Sir Jivan. Yeah, siya yung nagkagawa ng mga vlogs ko. Guys, panoorin niyo yung vlog ko. I-extra ako ni Wherein Pampanga sa vlog.
Yan si Anne. So, syempre, pati vloggers, ang buong vloggers, muna ala pa mong ma-picture din pa mga bayo mila kanan. So, may buko ng til-til na kayong kape, eh, no? There, coffee, ladies and gentlemen. Man, amazing coffee.
From the other than
Sino ba yung mga Southeast
So, we're eyeing na parang serving in a family sense now. Since Filipino are very family-oriented.
Actually, madakalya ni Ready Chef Vince, kaya
To start.
little bit of everything.
Ano mo sini-check?
Every week, nagbabatag kami sa office. Talagang absurd. Garbage bag.
Oo, yung company mo.
Kasi ginawa nila, okay, more sila ng pork parmigiana. Breaded. Ang sabi niya,
Buffalo wing, chef. Maanghang talaga. Buffalo wing. Talaga ko pa nito. Tingnan natin. Pero masarap.
kasi sa Velvet, ang dami lang yung component. Kumbaga hindi lang siya wings destination. It can be a pizza destination, it can be a wings. Let's just try. There's a just.
Nakakamay ang manok. Katerina.
Ay, may tingman kanya. So actually, in organize kayong event ng Chef Vince in Ma'am Larika from nano kasing company,
I
ma'am?
Orbit News Online.
I Orbit News Online, okay.
At the same time, QD Media.
QD Media.
Websites and digital marketing services. We know who to call.
Yes, and of course, I Orbit.
The first news online here in Central Luzon. Powered by Pampanga Friends Lab.
Pampanga Bless na. Okay, thank you po, Ma'am Larika. Thank you so much, Chef Vince. Kasi tingkong 500 pesos gift check. So, ang gagawin natin, bili na tayo ng mga bread nila. Okay, so tingnan natin kung ano yung mga available. Chef Roland, for 500 pesos, what should I get? What should I get? It's for my wife.
This,
Okay?
this special enchilada, the muffin,
Okay?
the one I recommend.
Okay?
And then the multigrain spaghetti, that will be,
Multigrain plus coffee.
yes, and
Sausaw,
butter,
special.
butter.
Yes po. Baguette. Baguette?
Nahawak nila ganyan, parang bag sa Europe. Baguette.
So, parang sa Europe, small bag. Baguette. Now I know.
Gamitan mo na rin
Wow.
yan ko din gamitan ko na.
Panaru.
One eh.
Siyempre, para payaganda ako pa kayong susunod. Alright, ma'am. Tera ko yaman. Talaga na ma'am. Okay, thank you. Ayan na kami mo ha. Ayos guys. Okay, thank you so much, Velvet Ganache. Dapat pala po pronounce mo yung manibot sa akin. Ganache. Velvet Ganache. Hana. And kunepen, bye.
Wait lang.
Chef.
Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Ingat
See you.
kayo.
See you.
See you, see you.
Ayun, ano. Bye. Bye.
Bye, girls.